Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add subpage in Wix. So let's go to Wix first. Under this Wix section, editor option, you will find here pages and menu. Before that, I'm gonna show you here you can see submenu 2 and here is drop down. I'm gonna put this submenu 2 under this drop down button. Okay, I'm gonna make this page under this drop down. So how you can do this, you have to click on menus and pages or pages on menu. Click on this and you'll find here this sub menu 2 already here. You have to click on this three dot beside the name and then you have to click on sub page. And now you can see that under this drop down menu here is two menu, sub menu 2. Here is two sub menu. Okay, so this is how you can add. If you want to see that, I'm gonna see you click on preview, and now if you click on this drop down you'll find two sub menu 1, sub menu 2. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.